Hey guys, it's Alvin and I'm back with another One More Week to Go trip report. I'm here in Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport again, about to take my first ever EVA flight. I'll be flying to Taipei in the Royal Laurel business cabin. First things first, let's go get checked in. There was no lineup at all at EVA's check-in counters, so we were able to drop off our luggage and pick up our boarding passes really quickly. After heading through security, we made our way to EVA's lounge, which is on the third floor of Concourse F. I've been to this lounge before and really loved it, so I decided to come here again. The lounge isn't too big, but I really liked the modern decor and the food spread that was provided. It's also got a very nice view of the apron activity. Let's do a quick tour of the food spread. Here's some Thai spicy shrimp soup, Thai massaman curry with chicken, Thai stir-fried noodles, and here you've got an assortment of dim sum, including shrimp dumplings and pork buns. There's some Western style pastries, and whole coconuts with refreshing coconut water inside. There's also some salads as well, Thai tea and orange juice, sandwiches, fruits, and a good variety of desserts. A coffee machine is also available, and there's an impressive array of alcohol. The lounge wasn't busy when I visited. There were a lot of different seating options, including armchairs, bar seating, and more comfortable sofas at the back of the lounge. There's also a small business center near the entrance. Time for boarding. We'll be boarding at gate E7 today. I'm rushing a bit because boarding has already started and we're not even at the gate yet. We made it to our gate for our flight BR202 to Taipei. That's our plane right there, a 777 painted in EVA's new colors. Hopefully you can see it through those dirty windows. Along with EVA Diamond members, Royal Laurel passengers have priority boarding in Zone 1. The announcements are already calling for Zone 2, so I'm a little late, but that's fine. EVA's Royal Laurel cabin is configured in my favorite reverse herringbone layout, the standard 1-2-1 seating arrangement. On this flight, I'm in the last seat on the left side, seat 6A. Pre-departure beverages and a cold towel were served after I got settled in. I opted for a pineapple juice. The in-flight manager also came by to introduce herself at this time.
Please switch off. 滑行起飞即降落时，手机、平板、小型电子用品请持稳、手捧或置于钱包里带内。
EVA's new safety video features a sort of contemporary dance, which portrays some of the safety elements in a more artistic style. It's a cool idea, but I'm not sure how practical it is in conveying safety information.
During taxi, takeoff, and landing, small electronic devices such as cellular phones and tablets
松落下，拉下面罩，罩住口、鼻，调整松紧带，正常呼吸。如果有小孩随行，请先行使用。
Let's take a closer look at the seat features. You've got quite a bit of legroom with leg rests, and on the side there are some storage pockets. You have the standard LED reading lamp, power outlets, USB port, and IFE controller. Seat controls are above the left armrest with manual adjustments as well as presets. Wi-Fi packages can be purchased on board as well. I purchased the 24-hour package for $21.95 US as I had a connecting EVA flight right after this one. Let's take a closer look at the menu for today's flight. Of course, you also get an in-flight magazine, a safety card, sickness bag, the entertainment guide, as well as duty-free shopping. To kick off the meal service, I had a matcha green tea with some rice crackers. I really liked EVA's meal service presentation, which includes this beautiful tablecloth. I started off with an appetizer of grilled chicken thigh and Thai herb bacon. For my main, I had the chicken kayang served with steamed rice. I pre-selected this meal online before the flight, as it's not available otherwise. I finished off the meal with a fruit platter, some sweets, and a milk tea. Overall, I thought the food was so-so. I expected a little bit more wow factor from EVA, given the good things I'd heard about them. After the meal, I had a bit of time to sit back and relax as the sun set and the cabin dimmed to allow passengers to get some rest. Slippers are provided for your comfort, as well as a thick blanket. I forgot to show the tray table earlier, so here it is. It just swivels out and unfolds into a larger table. And of course, here are the noise-cancelling headphones. I thought the movie selection on the IFE was pretty mediocre. Before arrival into Taipei, I had a nice cup of hot tea to refresh my senses. Packets of candy were also handed out by the flight attendants. As it turned dark outside the cabin, the inside was lit up with a beautiful shade of blue and plenty of stars in the sky. I really love this mood lighting. In terms of the hard product, EVA has a very solid offering with the spacious reverse herringbone seats. The crew were excellent and provided very friendly service. I was a little surprised and disappointed with the meal. I had heard really good things and came in with high expectations, but the food was a little bit boring and just didn't wow me. In terms of the in-flight entertainment, I found the movie selection a bit lacking. With those two criticisms aside, I still had a very enjoyable flight and would choose EVA again. And that's a wrap for this one. Make sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed this one. I would really appreciate if you also hit the subscribe button as well, as it really helps us to make more videos. As always, thanks for watching, happy travels, and I'll see you in the next one.